So let's start with today's topic, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also called cell membrane. So here in this topic we are going to have some important question which can be asked as 1 mark questions. So whatever questions are stressed on, please note them and try to prepare the paragraph in that way. So this chapter is having subtopics, and from this chapter we are going to get the questions like topic wise. Sometimes they ask the direct questions, or they can ask write short note on the particular topic. So here in this chapter we are going to deal with the cell membrane, cell, animal cell and plant cell. So now today's topic is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. This is outer covering of the cell that separates the content of the cell from its external environment. So when we come across plasma membrane, membrane name itself suggests that it is something which is covering. So here it is outer membrane of the cell. As we are having skin in our body as outer external cover, in the same way every cell has external membrane, and that membrane is called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane allows or permits the entry and exit of some materials in and out. This line is very important, you need to underline this. Plasma membrane permits or enters the materials in and out of the cell. That too, some of the materials, it is not allowing everything, only some materials it allows. It also prevents the movement of some other materials. So as it is permitting only few materials, so cell membrane or plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane. So here this is our second question. What is the other name of plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is also called cell membrane. This can be first question. Second question, plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane. Explain. So for that you need to write this whole paragraph.